Hello and welcome back to Market Master Roland Attenborough. Today we're going to be discussing the Bullseye ecosystem from our white paper. I'm delighted to have you here today. I'm Roland Attenborough. I'm the founder of the Bullseye network. I'm a coder. I'm a self-taught coder programmer. I'm a mathematician, a forecaster, and a scientist. And I'm currently based out of Belize, where we'd like to set up our foundational layer for our network. So what is the Bullseye network? Well, it's really empowering predictive intelligence through blockchain integrity and financial freedom. And the Bullseye system is a fully integrated blockchain and predictive analytics platform designed for the next era of digital finance, built with the Securities and Exchange aligned compliance, with institutional grade scalability and real world utility. Bullseye merges three powerful verticals: the Bullseye coin, the Bullpen exchange, and our private predictive technology into one seamless, secure, and transparent ecosystem. Our goal is to provide a trusted, compliant environment that bridges decentralized technology with regulatory confidence, allowing individual institutions and innovators to participate safely in the future of blockchain. Our vision and mission is to redefine blockchain as a compliant, intelligent, and equitable system of value creation, prediction, and exchange. Our mission is to align the innovation with regulation, delivering a sustainable ecosystem that empowers users to predict, trade, and build wealth responsibility. Our core components, or the three verticals, are the Bullseye coin. The Bullseye coin is the native digital asset within the ecosystem. This is built on a SHA-256 architecture for proven security and speed, much like the Bitcoin. The utility is used for transactions, staking, predictive access fees, and rewards. Our compliance is designed with Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering modules integrated at the protocol level to satisfy the Securities and Exchange and international fintech regulatory guidelines. Through stability, we're building a dynamic liquidity and supply balancing mechanisms to promote consistent growth and prevent market manipulation. Our private predictive technology, this module forms the intelligent and intellectual core of Bullseye's ecosystem. The forecasting power utilizes mathematical, astronomical, and temporal cycle models inspired by my guide, William Gann, and his methods are enhanced by this modern machine learning. Data integration. This merges on-chain and off-chain data to forecast future price trends, market cycles, and risk zones. Our licensing and partnerships. We're offering a white label solution for financial institutions and hedge funds seeking to enhance their predictive capabilities. A proof of work and proof of value system. Our proof of work ecosystem is, as we've stated, based on the SHA-256 open source, which is a very trusted ecosystem and network. So we have adopted that strategy. Now, proof of value. I'm really pleased to provide the Bullseye and any of our individuals and investors and governments alike the value that we will be providing at the inception of the Genesis block. And what do I mean by that? Well, no other crypto project, or Bitcoin for that matter, had a proof of value at inception. And we have taken that metric and we have spearheaded by providing our Genesis block with my own personal Bitcoin, as well as real world solid silver serving platter, which is an antiquity object. So these two metrics will provide immense proof of value right off the inception of the first Genesis block. And this is a major step forward for the digital industry that we are now embarking upon. Next, I'd like to speak to you about the compliance and governance, where Bullseye has been engineered from inception to meet the Securities and Exchange compliance standards and is structured for full transparency and accountability. Our regulatory framework is built to align with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, and Financial Action Task Force for providing guidance. Our governance model is a hybrid, decentralized, autonomous organization which oversees the network decisions while retaining centralized oversight for compliance and legal scrutiny. Auditing and legal. Well, we've integrated smart contracts and independently audited and ongoing compliance reviews ensure adherence to the U.S. and international financial laws. Next, I'm going to speak to you about our scalability and the utility that Bullseye ecosystem is designed to expand globally without sacrificing performance or compliance. Our modular infrastructure, each component, the coin, an exchange, and the predictive technology operate independently, yet integrates seamlessly via secure APIs. Interoperability built from cross-chain communication with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Layer 2 networks. We have real-world utility, which enables payments, predictive subscriptions, decentralized contract execution with verified lawful traceability. Next, we're going to discuss the security framework. So our encryption standard is the advanced SHA-256 with quantum resistance layers in the development. We have smart contract protections, which will guard and fail-safe design and the constant security audits that are necessary. User protections. We have a multi-level know your client. There'll be biometric verification and fraud detection systems. Our roadmap has been to provide the Bullseye, Coin Genesis, and compliance integration into the first and second quarters of 2026. And we are, of course, trying to meet these milestones at present, as well as launching the exchange and the beta required underneath the regulatory and the sandbox audits, which of course would be sometime as well in the second to third quarter of 2026. Our private predictive technology, we're going to be launching and licensing and patenting our ecosystem, and that will also occur somewhere within the third quarter of 2026. After that, we will be looking for a global market expansion and institutional onboarding, which will commence from the third quarter into the fourth quarter of 2026. And with any luck, the full governance and AI predictive automation will occur in 2027, sometime in the first or second quarter. In conclusion, the Bullseye ecosystem bridges innovation and regulation, empowering a future where blockchain meets global compliance without compromising independence, accuracy, or trust. Our foundation is built not only for traders and developers, but for every visionary seeking a secure, scalable, and lawful path to financial freedom. Today, I'm meeting with some government officials. This morning, I will be meeting with the mayor of Corozal in Belize while we look to foster a partnership with the Belize government to empower Belize into the digital age. We're looking very much forward to this next meeting. After we've completed those processes, we're going to look to go to code hardening and stress testing, as we spoke about earlier, with our sandbox auditing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, and try to meet all the fine fintech auditing, which we look to do. After that, we'll be applying for our network pattern, and we will be going live. And at that time, we will be accepting adoption, growth, and scaling. I also wanted to show you this is the beginning of our private predictive technology, and I can't show you from line 209 up to I think 900 or 1,000 lines, because this is our private predictive technology and we're still seeking our patent and a trademark for this. It is very, very, very powerful and probably will be very disruptive if we don't keep it careful without it landing into maybe some hands that could use it to manipulate the market. So we're overviewing our private predictive technology at this time to make sure that it is going to meet the Securities and Exchange Commission's protocols. And we're looking to have an early launch into 2027, and we look forward to having you on board. And please hit us up in the comments and share this work with any of your colleagues. You can get on board. We'll be offering some staking and 1, 2, and 3 year locked in partnerships with building up your assets within our ecosystem. And we look forward to working with anyone that is looking to empower their financial output. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Roland Attenborough, and I'm wishing you a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.